Hi guys, and welcome back. Oh, I've got some really crazy wind here. Wow, I just came in from outside and guess what I got? I got me a bunch of packages today. Well, two. I got a little one and I got this big baby. So I thought, let's get together and do an open. And let's see what's in them together. So the first pack, dropped it. The first pack is going to be my awesome lip gloss and mascara that I have coming from Faith, Faithfully Yours. And she is a Younique representative, and the box is my big kit. Now, I'm not actually going to sell it. I bought the kit as what they call a kitnapper, and it was because it is such a good value for everything I got in this box. So first, let's check out what we got in our first box. Oh, so pretty. So I got a Moonstruck Epic Mascara, and this one was from my surprise bag. You can come say hi, Diana, if you want. This one was from my surprise mermaid sock. Diana wants to say hi, guys. Hello. The Diana is back. So this one is the Epic Mascara. I'm going to pull it out of the box so you guys can see it. Moonstruck Epic Mascara. So that's what this one looks like. Oh, I'm really excited about this, actually.
The moment of truth.
Oh, look at that pretty brush. I'm super excited about that. So we'll have to try that out tomorrow when I do my makeup tomorrow. That one is the mascara, and this one is Sparkles. Sparkly. And this one is, it's a Sparkles that you can put over top of pretty much anything. It can go as a lipstick, it can be an eyeshadow, it can even be hair sparkles. I'll just put a little bit on my hand so you guys can see how pretty and sparkly that is.
It's like a shade.
Yeah,
it's like a shade of white and orange.
Super shimmery. Kind of. It's like white with pink sparkles almost, but look at how pretty sparkly
and when
that
it's in
is.
The shade, it kind of looks a little bit orange.
Yeah, and that's just a little bit. Like I just touched a little bit, so I know that I'm going to have a lot of fun with those sparkles. I'm super excited for those. So let's get into the big box and see what's going on in the big box. So this is the kit. So if you were wanting to sell these products, this is what you get in your whole big kit. Now, the reason why I bought this is because it was $89 for $400 worth of product. So I am all about it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so inside of our main box comes this beautiful purple box that has everything all inside of there. I think my favorite part is the bag. Now, this is like a laptop, and everything's inside of the bag. Okay, so we're going to have to unpack the bag one at a time. So, this is the bag itself. Let me pull it out of the box so you guys can see.
There was one thing that fell out.
Yep, that was this. I grabbed it. It is a lip gloss, a Moonstruck lip gloss.
I thought it was a lipstick, but I was really close.
You were super close. Okay, so this one is the Moonstruck lip gloss. And let me pull that out so we can see the color of that. Now, I think what I really like the best about them is look at the mirror. It has a mirror right on the back of the lip gloss.
See that coming.
Yeah, I think I'm going to try that color. Why not? Look at that. I even got a little mirror. I can do it with the little mirror. Oh, I like that.
Wait, I want to see if it works.
What do you think of that color? Do you want to check out yourself in the little mirror? Oh, I like that. I like it. It's not too pink. Okay, so that's that one. And we have a couple little filler pieces of stuff in there. Okay, so
tiny little mirrors are always like foggy, like you can never see anything.
That's
like
right. Now this one is the Lip Bonbon, which is a lip moisturizer. So I'm super excited about this one because, man, do I ever get dry lips in Canada. Just saying, it's pretty dry out here. It's got a little seal on it. So let me
30 degrees right now.
Oh, it's a heat wave. By Thursday, it's going to be 37 degrees, which is absolutely insane. So this one is the lip moisturizer, and I think I'm really excited. I'm going to have to talk to Faith about how to use that, but I really like that. Okay, this one is the Moonstruck Precision Pencil. And, oh, that's pretty. It's a nice dark brown, like a nice mocha color. Ooh, and look how pretty nice that end is. That's a really good end.
Pencil is like a coloring pencil?
No, like an eye pencil. Okay, and this one is the Epic Mascara that comes in the kit. So I've got two. I'm going to save one because mascara only lasts me about 6 months. So I'm going to save one for 6 months down the road. This is the Moonstruck Esteem Lash Serum. So this is to be applied to help your eyelashes grow. I'm certainly going to be using that one like a crazy, crazy lady. And you just brush it on your eyelashes like you would a mascara. So I'm excited about that. This one is Moonstruck Splash Liquid Lipstick.
I wonder what that looks like.
Yeah, let's see what that looks like. We got a lot of cool boxes too.
I mean, like, there's a
Ooh,
lip
I like
gloss,
that
but I
color.
don't have a lipstick too.
I like this, and I like how the lettering shows through the color. I really, really like that color, actually.
It's a nice shade.
Yeah, it's a really nice matte, nude, natural color. I really, really like that. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. This is the color palette, so I'm excited about this one. This is what you put your colors into.
Oh, like an eyeshadow.
Yeah, like an eyeshadow palette. So you put your colors into here, and that way you can swap out what colors you want in your little to-go box. So if you have 3 colors that you use, you can put those in there. So I'm excited about that. Ooh, the beautiful, beautiful brush.
Makeup is a drawing on your face.
That's right. Makeup is just art for your face.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so soft. Oh, that's lovely. So you get the makeup brush, which is the eyeshadow brush.
The pen and the palette.
That's right. The brush, the pen, and the palette. We got it going. Okay. So this is interesting. I did not realize that. So this says, wait, don't open. Cosmetics may soften during shipping in hot months. We know you're dying to try your new cosmetics, but let them sit at room temperature for 24 hours before opening so that your product is in perfect condition. That's good information to have. That is good information. Okay, this one is Younique Royalty Oil Control Mask. I'm really excited about this one. So it's a face mask for oil control. I want to smell that. Ooh, that kind of smells kind of cool.
Oh, from a distance it looked... Wait,
Yeah, it's like green.
From a distance, for a second I thought it was like a peachy color.
Yeah, no, it's a lime green. Okay, what else do we got? Ooh, 3D Moonstruck Fiber Lashes.
3D?
3D? Okay, we're going to have to open this box. What? We like 3D stuff, just saying.
Especially me.
Especially you, yeah.
I better get popcorn.
You
I'm just
especially
kidding.
love 3D. That's right, 3D popcorn at the 3D. Okay, so let's open this one and
3D.
see. How do I
Oh,
open
wait.
this box?
There's Lardy in it and Dory and Diane.
That's right, double D's. We are the double
Wait,
D's.
we need another D to make it complete.
Oh, okay. So this one is the 2-part, well, it looks like a 3-part actually process. So with this one, this is the one that deposits the fibers on your eyelashes. And it's funny because Faith and I were talking about this, and one time she stuck it in her eye, and I'm going to say don't stick it in your eye because it hurts. So this part is actual little fibers that attach to thicken on your eyelashes. See how it's like little fibers? So those actually attach, and you can see the container is just little fibers. So you use those to make your eyelashes thicker. So I'm really interested in figuring out how that one works. And look, it comes in its own pretty little pouch so that it keeps them together. Here, you want to put that one in the pouch for me?
Sure.
Excellent. And we'll keep the directions for that because I certainly want to be able to figure out the directions. And that's a super cool box. I really like that box. Okay, let's see what else we've got in here. Oh my goodness, we have so much still. Like we barely even... Okay. This one is the translucent setting powder. I'm super, super excited about this one. Oh my goodness. Setting powder. Oh, that is really, really pretty. So it comes with the nice little seal on it so it doesn't make a mess. And I'm glad this one's translucent because it looks a little light for my skin. but I think it will work because it's a translucent. Ooh, Beachfront Kissed. Now this is the bronzer slash highlighter. Ooh, oh my goodness,
Yeah.
look at that. I love
So
that.
gold and glittery.
It is so golden. Oh, oh yeah.
Can I see?
Oh yeah.
It looks almost
Here,
exactly.
let's do it on the other spot from my other side of my hand so we don't see it the same as the other sparkle, because this one is definitely
different.
more gold and the other one is kind of more pink. But woohoo! I love
It
that.
reminds me so much of like the edible glitter, the gold edible glitter that you have.
Ooh. So these are the separate eyeshadow colors that came in the kit. So these ones go into this holder, is what they're for. Let me get a knife over here. Open each of the packages. So these are the 4 colors that came with my kit. So there's this one. Oh, that is really nice. It's like a pewter color. It's called Shrewd. Shrewd. And then we got 3 more of those. 1, 2, 3 more of those. So let's open those up and see the color on those. Ooh, I love this one. Oh, I love that. Fervent is what the color is called. What do you think of that one? Oh, I like that. Ooh, I think this one's my favorite. Ready for my favorite, ready for my favorite. This one is called Gentle. But look at how pretty that one is. I like that one. I
It
like
looks a little
that
bit
one.
pink, but
It
not
does.
exactly.
Not like a super pink. It's almost like a champagne color. And then this is the last one. And this one is called Agile. So I got these 4 colors in the kit, and then they go into this. So I will later put them together into that kit. I do really like as well that with each of the samples of the color, look, they've given me this little sticker that shows the color. So I kind of like that. I think I'm going to hold on to the little stickers so that I know what colors I'm looking at, and I'm going to just keep those in my purse.
Good
Okay,
idea, everyone.
so it looks like that's all of the product. Then it's got an additional purse strap for our long purse. And
At
then,
first I thought it was a belt.
yeah, because this is meant for you to be able to start your own business, it also comes with a collection of information and some marketing tools, some perfume samples. This one is a sample of the detox mask, a sample of the oil control mask, a sample of the exfoliating mask, and
How many
then
masks?
a full catalog. So these are the things that I got in my kit, and all of this together cost me $89. So
Wow.
I'm super, super excited, and I want to kind of highlight the bag a little bit and show you guys what the bag looks like, because man, that is cutie pie.
I just
It is
realized this
so
right
my
now. It
color.
matches your hair. It matches your hair.
Oh yeah, it totally matches my hair, darling. Totally matches my hair.
And your shirt also matches you.
Yes, and it's meant to carry a laptop. So it's got your laptop guard and then all of your separate
That's
pockets
awesome.
in there. So I just wanted to pop in and show you guys I am now unique. So we're going to have lots of fun trying on new makeup. And yeah, we're going to get glam, baby, glam. I hope you guys have an awesome night, and I hope you love makeups as much as I do. I don't know why we're gone, so we'll finish. I don't know. Instagram's being weird today.
Oh, Instagram.